morning shitter.
Like an episode of The Sims in here. Look at everyone. All busy. On the phone. Got a bit of this going on in here.
Just put it on the delicates, then, mate. Right, 1 hour 20.
It's perfect science doing the washing machine. Glenn, put your cock away.
Glenn, get your cows.
That little setup. That's locked.
All the bikes are sleeping in here, which is actually a bit like a radiator at the moment. So I'm closing it. 35 degrees outside.
Damn, I should have brought out a toilet like that.
There's about half a roll in this toilet, but that's it. Mate, if not, we'll go shop and buy some.
Well, I'm sure there's going to be 8 shits in the morning, and I don't think that paper's going to sort it out.
Utility room toilet?
I don't think it's sorted out.
No.
Well, look, this is what we've got, boys. Look, between 8 boys for the morning shitter.
There's a public toilet.
We've got 1 PC to lads.
Public toilet.
Oh, they're difficult.
Do a single one.
Don't make you gag.
Now I've got to wash my hands. Nothing on the... Mikey, that ain't going on the thing.
Welcome to the Grand Boulogne. Check out the views between these two ugly coaches. Look at that. Bikes and cars everywhere. And either side you've got some quite nice roads. Would highly recommend. There's actually a restaurant just behind this coach over here. I'd highly recommend. Or there's a little patisserie thing here. Right, good morning guys. Welcome to day 2 or 3, I can't actually remember. This is our first full day in Colmar. We stayed there overnight. We're going to stay there a couple nights just because this is right next to us. This is all the mountains next to Colmar, and they have some spicy roads, so we're going to spend the day just doing a bit of a figure of 8 really, enjoying these kind of roads. So sit back, I'm not going to chat, I'm just going to show you the roads. If it's something you like and you fancy doing, then check this video out. Enjoy. Gonzalez. they start is the question. That was sick. Claude would be proud. Oh yes, Colmar hill climb. Shit. Oh, oh. He'll look back and laugh one day. R.I.P. Knows where we're going as well. Yes, of 7 backers coming your way. Yeah, they've just given a man 300 cash. Yeah, they didn't even butter. Yeah. Oh, I thought you had a similar style to you going on. I'm gonna log out and blog. Gravel. Right guys, so a bit of an update. Today we've been riding around the city of Colmar. We stopped at the Golden Arches, and one of our guys, as we were leaving, called Lee, he's got a Ducati Multistrada 1200S We literally were just pulling onto the motorway on a slip road and it just conked out. No engine. It turns over, but no spark. Essentially, we tried everything we could to, at the side of the motorway, a really bad place to park, really bad place to stop. We were like flagging down cars because it was right on a blind bend as they were coming onto the motorway, so it was an awful place to stop. And we had a look, we couldn't get it going. There was a garage that was next to us. We pushed up the hill to get to this garage. They tried to help us out, so thanks very much to those guys. But they had no luck either. In the end, he called his insurance, and because we moved it off of the motorway to be safe, they wanted nothing to do with it. They just said, no, you've moved it, that's it, you should have called the police and stayed there. So another lesson to be learned when you break down in France or wherever you are. Really horrible. So as you just saw, Lee's on a breakdown truck. We're massively behind now. There's a thunderstorm coming in. I know it doesn't look like it at the moment, but there is. So we're hightailing back to Colmar to meet him. We're going to try and sort out the bike, but in all honesty, I don't think it's going to work out. We had to, luckily there's a lot of bikers in that McDonald's we were stopping in, and we asked them for some help. Also, there was a military police guy in there, plain clothed, and he helped us out as well. So we're going to be meeting him back at the hotel. We called a breakdown service, and they came and picked us up. 300 euros cash. That's a dodgy overtake. Maybe I should cut that bit. Yeah, 300 euros cash to pick it up. So they're coming back to Colmar. We'll sort it out. We'll try to sort it out. But he's likely going to be on the way home, which is unfortunate. Yeah, and I think it's only something small as well, like a sensor or something minor, because it turns over and it's just not firing, which is a real bummer. So yeah, that's where we're at. We've got some really nice roads on the way back, really nice roads around Colmar. But yeah, that's an update as to what's going on today. I didn't film much of it. I didn't think it was very nice to film, breaking down. I filmed myself last year, and I know how horrible it is, so I film a little bit of it just to give everyone on here really a sort of update as to what's going on, and a little bit of a lesson really. If you do break down, don't move your car. These two look like an accident. I think it's just the bike. But yeah, don't move your bike if you break down, because it will f you up. Anyway, I'm going to log out now because I'm not on the comms with everyone, and it's easier when I'm on comms to ride around. But yeah, catch you guys later.
On the bus then? Oh my god, that was